Welcome to Social Studies from myself and Dr. Who. If you know why he needs to be with us in Social Studies, then you know, okay? If not, you'll learn eventually, but it's Doctor Who, all of history, time, and space, that sort of thing. Anyways, welcome to Social Studies. I'm going to give you a rundown of our Canvas course for this class and give you some insight into where you need to go and what you need to first accomplish when you first join this course, wherever that might be in the year. Okay, let's look at it. From the beginning here, we have recent announcements. Right here will be the absolute most recent announcement that has been made by me in this course. Anything important like a change in time or a meeting that we won't have or something like that, or an important due date will be right here. This will only ever have our most recent announcement, but if you want to see older announcements, you just click this button over here that says announcements and it will have all of them. Speaking of over here, these are your main navigation tools to announcements, the syllabus, which will give you a basic overview of this course and how it's scored, which is in another spot as well, and modules, which will bring you to your learning for this course, as well as the first kind of welcome module that gives you information about how to use the course, including this video as well, and then your grades for this course. If we scroll down here, you will notice that our class meeting times Tuesday and Thursday at 1, and here's the Zoom link. My name, my email, and a phone number, and when you can reach me, that my office hours that I will be available to you. If you have looked at your other courses, you will notice that these 3 buttons look the same in each of your courses, and they go to the same location, although it's different content for each course. So the read button brings us to your textbook for social studies and the readings that you will be doing each week during the first learning module. This is your weekly lesson plan and schedule. And these are instructional videos, which would be things like recorded Zooms, how to use Google Drive, etc. Okay, if we click on the Start Here button now, this will bring you to your modules. This first one, Welcome Your Journey Begins Here. There's some information about your teacher. This is an information about your syllabus. This is some information for your parents, and this welcome video will be there momentarily as well. This is just kind of your beginning information that you should go through. No matter when you join this class, make sure that you view all of this information. Now, as you go down here, Learning Module 1, in the first quarter of this year, we will be looking at ancient civilizations. Second quarter, it will be different, and so on and so forth. But the most recent learning module, the one that we are currently using, will be at top. You will notice here that you have a couple things that look familiar from your other courses as well. We have a slide deck from all Zoom meetings, so that will be updated by me. Each time we have a Zoom meeting, there will be more slides there, so you can go and kind of review all the past information. This is a link to the weekly lesson plans that is on the homepage as well for this learning module. And then we have our notebook. This I'm going to draw your attention to because this is your first assignment, and no matter when you start this course, you need to do this first assignment. Then you can skip to whatever week we are currently on. But the first week notebook is vital, and let's look at it so you understand, okay? So if I click here, it will bring up wanting to make a copy of this document so that you have your own personal one in your drive. If you don't know how to use your Google Drive yet, go to the instructional videos and watch that video about how to set up your drive and how to do some of that information. The first week 1 here, that's all I have available right now. As the quarter progresses, there will be multiple weeks here. You will notice it has a page that says quarter 1, week 1. If you start later in the quarter, say week 7, you still need to go do week 1, and then you can return to week 7 and just do that work from then on. Week 1 really is some base information that I need to know about you, just some general get to know you information, but also making sure that you have your Google Drive set up, some information about you, and then some basic information about the early civilizations that we'll be working on for the rest of the quarter, and kind of the how-to information. The first week Zooms will also be attached in the instructional videos, so I suggest you go watch that to kind of make sure that you know how to do this for your first notebook. When you are finished with this notebook, you will copy the link URL at the top and you will submit here where you say start assignment. Then there will be a button right here that you paste the link, okay? And hit submit assignment. That first week notebook is one of the first things that you need to do before you do really anything else in this course. You need to go start here, read everything in the welcome module, and do the first week notebook. All right, well, I look forward to meeting you in person, and hopefully that will be soon.